Did you ever notice why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the name of camel in Quran? Yes, in Surah Ghashiyat, verse number 17, Allah states that, then do they not look at the camels, how they are created? So, what is special in camels so that Allah mentioned the name of camel in Quran? I will tell you a few things about that. You know, the camel have three eyelids. For humans or other normal creations like animals, other animals, they have two eyelids. For camel, they have a special eyelid that will protect them from sand so they can survive in this desert environment. They have nostrils, they can close that one when there is too much wind in the desert. Their skin is too much strong and thick that will protect them as a shield from the sunlight. In the body of camel, there is a hump, okay? It's rich in fats. Camel can drink 40 gallons of water at one time. This water is absorbed in all their blood vessels. So then when after a long time, because in desert there is no water, they can survive without water for a long time. And the hump that containing rich fats in the body of camel, it will work as a water or it will work as a food as well when they need it. So just think, the creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is focused about an animal this much, that he will survive and how he will survive in desert, how he will drink water because there is no water. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is focused for animal only. So did you ever think he's not focused about you? He's not thinking about you? Ya akhi, Allah already know for what he created. Allah will not burden a soul more than you will bear. So just trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala whenever you are feeling any pain, or if something is go wrong out of your way, just trust Allah ta'ala. Allah know that you cannot bear that situation. Suppose if there are other animals also, they cannot survive in a desert area. Even horse cannot survive long time without water in desert area. This is the example. Allah doesn't put that horse in that area because Allah know the capability of each animal, because Allah created them. So have faith. If you're not getting something, that means Allah know better than you. Allah created you for a particular environment. If the situation goes in your way, it's okay. If it will not goes in your way, much better, because it's going in the way Allah wanted to be. Don't ever think that Allah is unaware from your situation, or Allah is putting you in a situation that you cannot bear. You can bear, therefore Allah is putting you in this situation. So have faith. Don't waste your time in thinking on these silly things that you don't have or other people they have. Maybe the things you are worried about, maybe the future you are worried about, you are not part of that future. You will have, this is your last year, maybe you have 2 months or 3 months or maybe 2 3 years pending. So just try to get close to Allah in your whole life. Try in each aspect of your day, just focus whatever is making you please or more close to Allah.